Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial where I will teach you how to use this application called DearShot. DearShot is used for taking a screenshot of your screen. Alright, so this is the link for download page for this application. You just click download DearShot for Windows, install it, and that's it. After installing the application you will get a window which contains keyboard shortcuts. So if you want to capture a full screen you just hold Shift, Alt and F. If you want to capture selection, you just hold Shift, Alt and S, and if you want to capture an active window, you just hold Shift, Alt and A. You can click here and right click here, and here you have options how do you want to take a screenshot. Also you have preferences. When you click that, go to hotkeys and you can change the hotkeys on whatever you want them to be. Alright, so let's capture some selections. So just hold Shift, Alt and S on keyboard. This is what will show, and if you want this picture to be screenshotted, just do like this. After that, just click enter. After the screenshot is taken, you have an option to edit that picture in edit mode. So you have few options here as you see, and few options here as you see. You can add an arrow, you can add this, or maybe type something, or make these numbers. It's pretty awesome. Then you just click save and that's it. You can name it as you want. You can save to whatever directory you want. So you just click OK. What happens now? You get a link for that picture. Just click copy so that link is copied. Go to your browser, paste that link and click enter. And what happens? Voila, there's the picture. So that's this tutorial on how to use DearShot for Windows. Make sure to download it on this link as previously said. It's super easy, super fast, and I really recommend this application for screenshot capturing.